welcome to this week's video. Today is going to be all about Canva for homeschool. So I just thought, even as the year is drawing to a close, I thought that most, if not all of us homeschool moms are going to be looking at record keeping, completing our portfolios for our children, and archiving the stuff that we have done this year. I thought it would be a good idea to film this video right now, where I will be showing you how to create your own attendance register and your own field trip log, reading log, whatever printable you might need for your homeschool. And not just only that, but I'm going to show you all the things that you can do in Canva that are going to be beneficial to your homeschool. So by the end of this video, I guarantee you are going to be very comfortable using Canva, and you're going to see how much of a great resource it is. It is a wonderful platform. So come along with me. Let us explore Canva. So you're going to go on to www.canva, and then you are going to obviously sign up, and you will land on this page. So this is the Canva homepage. So this is the homepage. So here on the search bar, I want you to type in habit tracker. You will see why in a few minutes. All right, and then you're going to click on Canva template. It will give you all the templates. So you're going to scroll and just look at maybe which one you would love to use. There's one in particular that I found very easy to use. There's quite a number of them that you can use. And okay, yeah, let's use this one. Okay, so this one doesn't have a crown symbol. Anything that has the crown symbol you cannot use if you're on the free plan. So I am on the pro plan. The pro plan is only 110 every single month. I'm not sponsored by Canva to do this video at all. I'm just sharing with you what I love to use and what I have found value in using. Okay, so all right, this is the habit tracker that we would love to customize into our own. So here at the bottom where it says page 1 of 1, it shows that this is zoomed up to 45%. So I can just toggle it and then it will expand. All right, so we're going to use this. The reason why I am saying that you should search for a habit tracker is because already there's the months of the year for you, right? Already done for you, so it's going to be quite easy to customize. So for starters, we're gonna it's not a habit tracker, it's an attendance register. So we're gonna do that. It's an attendance register. Maybe let's say we want to put in the year. Okay, the year we'll put it after. Okay, it's fine. There you go. There we are. That's the attendance register. And then maybe you want to say, where it says target, you can put your child's name, or maybe say name, and maybe you can write it out so that maybe you don't have to do a multiple, like let's say if you have multiple children like me, and then the year, you can then put 2024. How you can do that, you can go here on the text and say maybe add body text. So the body text, you can just click on it again and then just do 2024. Is it 2024? Yeah, it has a T. It's just 2024. Click out and then click again, and then you can drag it in there. So if it's too big, you just go here where it says 22. It's got a minus, it's got a plus. So if you plus it, it's going to become bigger. If you minus, it's going to become smaller. And then whatever looks fine to you, then you see it's not aligned, you can then just maybe align it like that. You will see those lines that appear to help you align. So you can do that, and also you can duplicate that. Maybe say you want to enter your child's name. You want to say Mary Ngosi. Mary Ngosi. And then you can pull it on the side just to make it one line, and then you can also center that. You'll see the lines, they will appear. Those are the ones to help you center everything. There you go. And then maybe probably, let's say this December has got an error, they put an S. You can just click on it and put the C. There you go. And then your January has 31 days, February has 29. So this one is perfect, right? And then say for example you don't want the boxes to be blue, there you click on the color, you see there's the color. Say maybe you want to make it baby pink, or it shows you also the colors that are in the text. So this document, these are the colors that are in this document. So maybe let's say I want to change mine to maybe just white. You can then obviously say white. Okay, there's white, and then you can say change all, and then it will change everything and make it white. Okay, and then here on the name there's a bit of color there. Maybe you just want to go and change that and make it pink. Maybe you want to make it pink. You can type in or if you've got the hex code, you can type in the hex code. But if not, maybe let's say, okay, let me just make it this color. They're almost the same. Let me try another color. Okay, change all. All right, so let's say maybe probably you want to make it look nicer. Maybe you don't like these dots. You can click on these dots, right? And then you can click on these dots. Let me just say you're going to go to elements. Say maybe you want to use, you're going to say education. You want to see what pictures might pop up when you say education. Education, and then you go to graphics, right? Because you want to look at the graphics. And then maybe probably you want to use these books because they don't have the crown symbol. So this means these books are free to use. Then you can just resize them accordingly. And then maybe you want to add it to your design. Yeah, this thing is maximized. Let's just maybe make it a bit smaller so we can work on the design better. You can click on these dots, maybe delete those. And then you want to put your books here. If you want to rotate them, you can use this and maybe rotate like this, or rotate the other way around. You hold and you tilt, and then probably that's what it is. If probably you want to change the colors of these books, you want to incorporate some pink, then you're going to click on the colors that appear, and then probably you use this pink. You want to make it that pink. Fine. And then maybe you want to change the blue also, make it into a lavender, and then you want to change this one and make it a pink as well, and then it kind of looks like that. Okay, so that's it. So you can work on it as much as you would like. So I don't want to just spend a lot of time because I want to show you other things that you can do. So fine, now you are happy with this design. You want to print it out. You're going to go to the share button, and then you're going to click on download. Okay, then you're going to share. Then you're going to download. Okay, download. Okay, there it is. It's downloading. And then once it's done, you're going to click on it. There is your downloaded attendance register. How cute is that? So you can use it for your homeschool, but you're not allowed to then use it for resale or use it because you did not create it yourself from scratch. So if you you started the project from scratch yourself, then you can use it for, you can resell it. But for the mere fact that you use a template and you just edited a couple of things, you cannot then use it to send it to other people or to resell. This is only for personal use. Okay, so there you go. Then you've got your, it's January up until December. You've got your attendance register. Then you can put it in your portfolio, and then you can check. You are sorted. Okay, so now we are going to do a field trip log and a reading log. We go back to the home page, search bar, and then we type in budget tracker. Okay, And then obviously we want the Canva template, so we're going to click on that. And then obviously we're going to look through, because we are looking for something that does not have the crown symbol. Okay, I think we can use this one. Then we go to customize template. So we have it on our canvas here so that we can do some bit of customization. Okay, so obviously we're going to start where it says budget, and we are going to write field trip. And then let's stretch it out so that it fits into one line, and then we center it. And where it says tracker, we're going to put in log. Okay, and then let's work on the colors. I think let's start by making the whole page white, because it's gonna look nicer when we print it out. And then let's just sort this out. We can put the date is fine. Then we can say, put here the trip that we did, and we can put, let me just find an example of what a field trip log looks like, because I'm blank at this point in time. I don't know why. Field trip log. So they usually put the date in the description, and then let me just look at this one. Place, location, date, what we learned. Okay. All right. That's fine. We go back here, and then we can say, we can delete the type and delete that line, and then we say what we learned. Stretch it out again to fit the page, and then we can start working on the color. All right, so I think before that, let's go to elements and look for a picture. Let's just say fun. Okay, we can take that, probably put it there, then move that a bit down. So you can just play around with it to your liking. Okay, so I'm just showing you the basics here. And then we can also just make this field trip colorful. Let's make it blue. And log, let's make it maybe this orange, right? Then we can do that also here. We can change that maybe into an orange, and yeah. Then we can also change that from a gray to a more pleasant color. We can use that one. I think this looks way nicer. You can also make that orange, change all to orange, and I think that looks nice. So because now we also want to create a reading log, we are not gonna do it separately, we'll do it here. We're just going to duplicate this page. So this page, we've worked on it, we're just gonna duplicate it, and then we're gonna come here, obviously remove that, we don't want that. Then here we're gonna say reading log, so that it becomes cohesive. So the date is fine, we can say book title, and then here we can say author. Okay, then let's just also maybe find another picture that is nicer. Let's just say books, orange and blue. Let's see if we can find something that already is cohesive with what we are doing. Okay, there's so many options here. Okay, I think we're gonna use that one. Okay, and it's a good thing because we can edit and make it the color we want it to be. Let's just check this one. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's just size it down Okay, but we obviously don't want it to obstruct this, so we can click on that and then click here on transparency and just put the transparency a bit down so that it's a bit faded in the background. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I don't like it, but you can just play around. You see what I'm doing here? I'm just working with something and seeing if I like it. And if it doesn't work, you change it. Or you can just put it in here, then go to transparency, turn it down all the way so that it's just appearing slightly on the page, right? And then we can just delete that. But I think so far, this is nice. So you have your reading log and you have your filter blog. So again, you do the same thing now, you're done. You're gonna share it, you're gonna click on download, and then this is saying PNG. It's suggesting that you download it as a PNG. But a PNG is like a picture. We don't want that because we wanna print it. So you're gonna click here and say PDF print, which is the best one for printing, okay? Okay, and then we're gonna download that. Okay, let's check what it looks like. There we go. We have our filter blog. We have our reading log. All looking good. I like a lot. So you can take this along with your attendance register, and also you can maybe make the attendance register cohesive to these other printables so that it looks like one thing. There you go. Say now you have a grade R learner that you want to give a certificate to and they are completing their grade R this year. You can actually come in here and type in certificate, right? Maybe say, let me just say kindergarten, because then it's going to give me all the colorful ones, the ones the kids are going to love. Okay, we click on Canva templates. So we have a plethora of them. You will choose the one that you will like. I'm leaning into this one. Okay, let's customize this one. Really like it. All right, so this is a graduation certificate. We are giving this certificate to Mary and Ngosi. Okay, and here they just put whatever. We're gonna say for, and make it caps, for successfully completing grade R in 2024. And then we maybe say congratulations for your graduation. Okay, so that is random, but you can say, you can type in whatever you want, and then they put teacher's name and teacher's name, so you can change the one and make it school director or school principal. And then let's just try to make it one line. Yeah, I prefer it like that. And then I think that this one also we can make teacher's name, or we can just say teacher. Okay, then this size was 15.8, then we're gonna make this one also 15.8. so they look the same. That's 15.9. Okay, we get the gist of it. Okay, if you want to change anything, you would probably come here and change the colors. So this is for a girl. Let's try to make it more girly. I think I would want the lavender to be there as well, and make the yellow also be there. So it kind of looks more or less the same. And then change that to, what color could we add? That is, I think, a pink, a sweet pink, because there's a pink there. I think that would do. Let's just see how it looks. No, I don't think so. Okay, let's just see the lavender. Okay, that looks nicer. Okay, and that's your certificate for your Grade R learner. Then you're gonna come here and you're gonna download it. We don't want it to be a PNG, we want it to be a PDF print. Okay, did I use some, it says I have the Canva Pro, but obviously you're gonna use things that you don't have to pay for. I just don't want to change everything up for the sake of time. Let's open it up and see what it looks like downloaded. This looks very pretty. So here you have a certificate that you can give to your Grade R learner for graduation. Great. Okay, last but not least, let us do some flashcards. So we're going to come again in the search bar and type in flashcards and see what will pop up. Okay, click on Canva templates all the time because we want to see what kind of templates are available. So there's really a lot of options here. So we have shapes that you can use. We've got animals, we've got letter sounds, there's CVC words. There's so many options here. So we're just going to look for one that we can use and customize to our liking, preferably obviously one that doesn't have the crown symbol. So I'm just going to take these number ones. Okay, it's the, and also when you, before you customize, click customize, you can see, you can just scroll down. There are so many other ones, right, that you can do, like these ones. There's this one that shows you what is a simile, what is a metaphor, what is an allusion, a symbol, and you can just go to town with these. Okay, so we will let me take these ones. Okay, but it's one thing. Let's just customize this template. All right, so firstly, these flashcards you will use if you want your learner to learn the number symbols and the number names. So here you can play around with the colors, you can play around with the font. So you can see that this one has these 3 colors. So you can decide whether you want to change maybe this dark color to, it depends, maybe because you are using it for a girl, you can want to change all of them to that color and change this darker color to maybe a purple and change this orange into maybe a lighter pink. Okay, and it says change all, right? So those ones that look like that are gonna be changed. And then maybe you want to change this 4, and then maybe we're leaning on to pastel colors. We could do the same thing. Okay, we can honestly do the same thing to that one as well. Just look for lighter colors that are gonna look nicer, and then we change all like that. So I think most of them changed, and it looks like the inside is a different color. Let us just stick to white because when it comes to printing, that is going to be the best option for all of us. But now I see by just doing that, it got rid of the lines that we need to see where the flashcards are. I think we can just keep it at that for now, but you get the idea of what you can do. I just wanted to show you what you can do inside of Canva, and obviously you can decide whether you're going to go onto the elements and maybe put dots, maybe say 1 dot, okay, and then maybe swap out this one for the dot. It depends on what you want to do really. So another thing that I didn't show you previously with the other ones, I want to show it to you now, is that you can come here where it says this is white colorful numbers from 1 to 20 flashcards. So you can come here and rename it to whatever suits you. So you can say number, name, names now, or you can just say number, name, flashcards, and then you're gonna save it, and when you download it's just going to be named as that. Then we come here, we then download. Okay, it's also giving us the option for PNG. We go to PDF print and then we download that. Okay, so you can really go to town with these flashcards. It's totally up to you. Okay, I see here something happened with this one, but we can go back and fix that one. The others look okay, and then you can cut them out and you can laminate them and use them with your little ones. I didn't show you all that you can do in Canva. There's still so many other things that you can do, like educational posters, planners, lesson plans, and so many other educational products. So this can be a part 1 if you would like me to do a part 2 showing you all the other things that you can do in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Let me know which project you will be starting with in the comment section down below. My channel is all about homemaking and homeschooling from a biblical perspective, and if that is of interest to you, then consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of this growing community. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.